Hi everybody, this is Osprey from MyChartCoach.com. In this video, we're going to take a look at KODK, Eastman Kodak. Okay, so in the last video, we showed you the daily chart and the 15-minute chart, and so we were showing you how it was breaking out. And so currently, if you look here, it's at 9:10 after hours, and so that's the after hours closing price. And so at 9:10, that's going to put it over here just above the 50-week simple moving average. That's the green line right now, right here. So what we're looking at is the weekly chart, and so you can see this is a multi-year chart, and it's bouncing off of the bottom. Notice how it's been in a downtrend for like the entire year. Notice how the entire year of 2017 it's been heading lower, and then yeah, it hit a bottom down here. Notice the PSAR below flip, the green dots flip below the candles. SAR stands for stop and reverse, so that is signaling a possible start of a new uptrend. The candles are broken above the EMAs 4, 8, and 13. Notice how the EMA 4 has been resistance for multiple months. The last close above the pink and lime line was back here in September, and so yeah, so this is a big move this week. Now keep in mind, this week's candle will not set until the closing bell on Friday. So the key level to close above is going to be this middle Bollinger Band at 532. If that level turns into support, that could signal the start of a new uptrend. Look back here in 2016. Back in March, there was a close above the middle Bollinger Band. That level turned into support, and then a nice uptrend followed. So that's what the bulls are looking for here. Now with the share price up here, in this $9 range, which is lining up with the upper Bollinger Band currently at 916, you want to see that 50-week moving average hold, and so you'd like to see it close this week above 842. Okay, so that would be a huge level to close above. Notice that it's lining up with the closing price there in September, and if it can close above that level for the week, and then tomorrow if it can break out higher, okay, if it's running tomorrow, then the next big level to break is going to be the 100-week moving average. If you checked out the last chart that we did, the daily chart, it's showing that at right around $10, there's the 300-week or 300-day simple moving average is the next big level to break. Well, on the weekly chart now you have the 100-week moving average at 1129. So if you see a break above that 300-week moving or 300-day simple moving average on the daily chart, look for this 100-week moving average as a big level to break. If it starts stalling out around 11, that could signal the candles are going to work back into the bands. Notice that would push the candle well above the upper Bollinger Band. The upper Bollinger Band's down here at 916. Above that, and then you have, on a mega run, you have the 200-week moving average at 1540. Look at the volume behind the move. I mean, this is gigantic volume behind the move, and there was a lot of after-hours trading. So the key tomorrow is going to be follow the charts. And so if you look here, there's a MACD bull cross this week on the 12, 26, and 9. That signals the possible start of a new uptrend. Look what happened back here when that big run took place back in 2016 in February. There was a MACD bull cross, and that signaled the start of a big run. And so the same thing on the 12, 26, and 9. The 8, 13, and 5 had a bull cross in December, signaling the chart was heating up. Notice the histogram bar now is bullish. And so now you have you want to see the histogram bars stay above the positive line. So yeah, so this is a great move for KODK. We will be charting this in our chat. I recommend everybody to come check it out. I will post the link below the YouTube video. Okay, we chart stocks on multiple time frames to find key resistance and support levels that we use for trading. Okay, thank you very much for viewing this video.